लेकिन उस क्रूज में जो 4 ऑर्गेनाइजर है उनको भी गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। उनको भी जो है ऑर्गेनाइजर को और साथ ही आर्यन खान और बाकी जो लोग हैं वो साथ ही जो है एक तरफ देख रहे हैं कि उसके जो कन्फ्रंट किया जा रहा था। इम्पोर्टेंटली अब हमने देखा कि इस पूरे केस में जहां 18 लोगों को जो देख रहे हैं, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात अभी जहां तक पता चल रही है कि शाहरुख खान के जो ड्राइवर है उसको भी समन किया गया है एनसीबी ऑफिस में, और वहीं पर इसी ऑफिस में आकर जो है शाहरुख खान के ड्राइवर को जो है यहां पर समन्स भेजे गए हैं और साथ ही जो है इसी एनसीबी ऑफिस में आकर उनको अपना बयान दर्ज करना होगा। सबसे बड़ी जहां पर डेवलपमेंट हम देख रहे हैं कि न कि सिर्फ अब शाहरुख खान से जुड़े, जहां पर न कि सिर्फ शाहरुख खान के बेटे जो कि एनसीबी के कस्टडी में थे और कहीं ना कहीं पर जो रेवलेशन से किए जा रहे थे खुद आर्यन खान से, और ये रेवलेशन न कि सिर्फ उसके बयान से हो लेकिन जो व्हाट्सएप चैट रिट्रीव किए गए हैं उस व्हाट्सएप चैट के जरिए भी, क्योंकि कल एक खुलासा एनसीबी की ओर से कोर्ट के सामने ये किया गया कि जिस फुटबॉल की बातें, जो फुटबॉल का शब्द चैट में दिखाई दे रहे हैं वो हालांकि जो बल्क क्वांटिटी में जो ड्रग्स है उसके कोड वर्ड में इस फुटबॉल वर्ड को जो है इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा था। लेकिन अब फिर से जहां एक तरफ इम्तियाज खत्री से लगातार पूछताछ नारकोटिक कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के ऑफिशियल्स कर रहे हैं, वही दूसरा समन्स एक जो समन्स है वो अब शाहरुख खान के बॉडीगार्ड, जो कि कई बार कोर्ट में भी हमने देखा, जो पर्सनल बॉडीगार्ड है उसको समन्स भेजे गए जहां पूछताछ के लिए एनसीबी ऑफिस में उसको बुलाया गया है।
Absolutely shocking details coming in, and I also want to bring in Priyanka once again. Alicia, stay on with us because Priyanka, firstly, Shahrukh's driver has been summoned, and obviously, drivers are typically aware of the movements of those they are working for, where they go, who they meet, what they do. So this can be critical in terms of information that the NCBK is trying to seek. In terms of where all Aryan goes, or where all the family moves. That is one. Secondly, even as we stay with these pictures, Priyanka, it is astonishing to how carefully and smartly the drugs were taken on the cruise. If I'm not mistaken, Priyanka, these pictures that are showing how sanitary napkins were probably used to hide these drugs and take them inside the cruise so that no one knows, and looks like hard drugs, Priyanka.
Well, yes, as more and more of these visuals that we're getting exclusively for our viewers, it is very, very obvious the way that this was entirely a premeditated way that the passengers, namely now the accused, had been carrying these narcotics on board of this cruise ship. But also, as you mentioned before, biggest news break is that now that Shahrukh Khan's driver has also been called to come to the NCB, and his statements perhaps will also be recorded by the NCB, because very rightly you pointed out that they would know, the drivers usually know the whereabouts of the person that they're driving, and namely in this, the accused Aryan Khan, who was booked for consumption from on board of the cruise ship, and the driver will also be questioned about Aryan Khan's movement, Aryan Khan's whereabouts as well, because remember, in the documents, in the Panchnama as well, and as well in the court, the NCB has said that Aryan Khan is being booked for consumption under the NDPS Act, and now not just that, but they are looking at other chats where Aryan Khan had been in contact with peddlers, suppliers, traffickers, and that is why they are going to go deeper into it, which is perhaps why they have also they have called Shahrukh Khan's driver, so that they can ask him further question about Aryan Khan's movement, his who he used to meet, and all of the other details that might help NCB unearth the nexus that they are investigating upon, not restricting to only these 8 accused who were picked up by the NCB from the cruise ship, but also the other accused, in fact, who had in fact been called and raided upon, and the seizure of the drugs were that of commercial quantity as well. All of these things are now being investigated. A bigger picture, Swesha, comes unraveling for us each day that the NCB is carrying out their investigation. Not just the consumers, but the organizers, the suppliers, the traffickers. All of that is being investigated. An international peddler has also been taken into custody of the NCB, and more key accused in this cartel also coming out by the day as the investigation proceeds further, Swesha.